So this is how I got the 11 inches. So because it's an off shoulder top, before you measure your shoulder to waist, you need to take 4 inches off of the your actual measurement and mark it. So here I'm going to mark the shoulder to nipple and the shoulder to waist. You can see I took 4 inches off of it before, and 2 inches. And for the shoulder to nipple, I'm going to divide the nipple to nipple measurement into 2, and I'm going to mark it. And I'm going to mark the same thing on the waist side and go 1/2 inch on both sides. And I'm going to join the lines together. So divide your waist measurement by 4, and whatever measurement you get, add 1.5 inches to it or 2 inches to it. Do the same for the bust and for the top. Cut them out. And guys, you need to watch this carefully. So when you're cutting the next one, you need to take the 2 front. Do not cut the dots out for the back. Just pick the 2 and cut it out like I did. So here you're gonna go ahead and pin them together. Pin it to a dress form or your own body and mark the bustier shape. So if you're a beginner, I will suggest that you mark or number the patterns, because you're gonna take them out and use them as template to cut the lining. That is why we stitch them with temporary stitches, so it'll be easier to take them out. So pin them back together and sew it. This time use permanent stitches. So once you're done with that, you have to double check to see if all the measurements are correct, and you can continue and join the back piece to it and then the lining. So for the bottom, you can choose to finish it with bias strip, or you can fold it like an inch in and another inch and sew it down. But I am going to flip it back inside and I'm gonna sew it in and then turn it out, so all the seams will go inside like so. So for the 1.5 inch we left for zip, you're gonna fold that in and press it. So here it's only left with the zipper. Unfortunately, I didn't have the correct zip color, but I wanted to show you how it's gonna be done. So you put it inside, in between the fabric and the lining, and you sew it. This is the kind of zipper you need, the one that can detach, not these ones. So I'm gonna find the right zip and finish it up. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.